All right, what's going on, everybody? So today I picked up the brand new item, literally brand new. It wasn't even on the shelf yet at my Harbor Freight. He had to go back in the back and grab it. The new Hercules Nibbler, similar to as the Milwaukee Nibbler, but Hercules finally came out with one. I'm gonna do some zigzags, turns with it, see how it operates, how it compares to a Milwaukee. Yeah, let's kind of just go over some things and check it out. Alright guys, this thing is awesome. So I have done a video on the Milwaukee version of the Nibbler, okay, and it's pretty great, but it is close to $200, over $200 when you count in the battery. So this guy here, like I said, was only $120, $119. You got to buy the battery to it. This one is the 5 amp hour. I got the 2.5 amp hour up here. So I just wanted to show you. So it says it cuts up to 105 feet per charge, 2200 SPM. I don't really understand SPM. I don't know what it stands for. The instructions did not tell me. I don't know if it's RPM or what. Whereas the Milwaukee actually told you the RPM. This says SPM. But to move on, it is the same as the Milwaukee, where it's a 16 gauge steel and 18 gauge stainless steel. Now to show you, these notches right here actually are a different thickness. So the bottom one is for steel, so you can stick your metal in there. That is 16 gauge, and then the thickness of that top one there is your stainless, which is your 18 gauge. So that way, if you're ever in question, you'll know. Your die here can be changed 360 degrees. So if you want to cut, right now it's set up to where it pushes. If you want to set it to cut this direction or that way, or pull it, you can change that. It is not as easy as a Milwaukee. You do got to loosen this nut here, spin it, pull it out, pull this guy, turn it, put it back in, all back together, but it's no big deal. It is nice that they came out with it as the brushless to start out with, so we don't have to wait on another model. Unfortunately, there's no speed knob on this. It is just full bore right away. So you turn it on. It's just right out the gate, full blast. The weight of it, probably about 6-7 pounds. It does have a bigger head than a Milwaukee one, but nothing of which affects the operation. It cuts just as fast, in my opinion. I have used both now. I used this one today at work. I will show you the video here shortly of I had to cut in some ductwork. We'll test out some of the maneuverability of it, doing some zigzags, turns, whatever, and kind of see what we can do. I'm pretty sure, I think the radius of it is a 2-inch radius, which pretty good circle, not bad. But yeah, let's just kind of show you the operation. All right, we're going to see if I can do this one-handed here, kind of see how it does. Let's try it. Makes a circle pretty good. Well, it cuts like butter, so let's take it to work and try it out. All right, test it out. Here we go. Perfect. All right, well, there you go. So you saw how well it actually worked. I mean, I think it works well. Honestly, for the price point versus the Milwaukee version, I'm going to pick this guy up. To me, I've used both things now, and it cuts just as good. It's like literally the exact same size die, everything. The only downfall, it doesn't have the little baggie on the end there to catch the little shavings, but put something underneath, trash can, whatever, catch it. But yeah, $119, you can't beat it. Guys, if you would, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch y'all next one. See ya!